blow some out, blow some out, blow some out. The more you spin it, the faster go. Bad.
Hi beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. First off, I'm going to be starting off with my H&M Halo Illuminizer in Glorious Shimmer, and I'm working this into my skin. Next, I'm going to be going into my foundation, and I'll be using Mary Kay Time Wise and Classic HD foundation. And as usual, I'm starting from the cheeks and spreading it upwards without any product on my forehead, so I don't have that white cast on my hairline. Basically still working the foundation into my skin. Now I'm using a Voan Beauty blender to blend out my highlights, which I had already done off camera. For some reason my stuff was all over the place. Now to contour, I'm going to be using the Ministar professional contour palette and my Jordanna powder in warm cocoa for my nose, and the Ministar one for my cheeks, and you'll be seeing the nose contour in a bit. So I'm using the warm cocoa Jordanna flawless powder to contour my nose. I'm sorry some of the footage are lost but I was able to scrabble like all the stuff that I could get my hands on. Now I'm using a red transition color for my blush palette. Next, I'm going to be using my red lipstick as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying. So I'm placing it on my lid, not all the way to my crease, because we don't want, you know, that raccoon red eyes. Anyways, I'm going to be blending it out, and once I'm done with that, I went in with a pink eyeshadow as a transition just to blend out the edges of my crease. And now I'm setting the lipstick with the red lip gloss as usual for my blush palette. I'm just making sure the color is well placed, and yeah, that's basically it. Next, I'm going to be applying the same lipstick that I used on my lid as a base on my lips, and it's a Voan Beauty lipstick. Now for that glossy look, I went with a clear gloss and I applied that on my eyelid. You have to be very careful, try not to be obsessed so you don't apply gloss like everywhere. Once I'm done with that, you will see that I'm applying that on my lips as well, because I wanted everything to be glossy. Now yeah, we're done. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button before leaving, and leave a comment if you have any further questions. Follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is in this description box. Bye.